Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn listening English with a story. Lily's first day at the bakery. Lily was starting her first job today. She was going to work at a bakery called Sweet Sunshine Bakery. Lily was a little bit nervous, but also very excited. She loved bakeries, and she loved the smell of fresh bread and cakes. Sweet Sunshine Bakery was a small and friendly bakery in her town. It was known for its delicious cakes, cookies, and bread. Lily was happy to get a job there. Early in the morning, Lily got ready for work. She put on her new uniform, which was a light blue shirt and a white apron. She made sure her hair was neat and tied back. She wanted to make a good first impression on her first day. When Lily arrived at the bakery, the sun was just starting to rise. The bakery looked warm and inviting, with lights shining from the windows. She took a deep breath and went inside. Inside the bakery, it smelled even more wonderful than outside. The air was filled with the warm, sweet smell of baking bread and vanilla. Lily smiled. She knew she was going to like working here. A friendly woman with a kind smile greeted Lily. "Hello, you must be Lily," the woman said. "Welcome to Sweet Sunshine Bakery. I'm Mrs. Daisy, the owner." "Hello, Mrs. Daisy," Lily said politely. "Yes, I'm Lily. It's nice to meet you." "Nice to meet you too, Lily," Mrs. Daisy said. "I'm so glad to have you join our team. Come, let me show you around." Mrs. Daisy showed Lily around the bakery. First, she showed her the front area, where customers came to buy cakes and bread. There were glass counters filled with colorful cakes, rows of freshly baked bread, and baskets of cookies and pastries. Lily's eyes widened. Everything looked so delicious. Then Mrs. Daisy showed Lily the kitchen area, behind the counters. This was where all the baking happened. There were big ovens, mixing machines, and tables covered with flour and baking tools. There were bakers in white hats and aprons busily working. Mrs. Daisy introduced Lily to the other bakers. There was Mr. Ben, who was making bread dough. There was Miss Rose, who was decorating cakes with frosting and flowers. Everyone was friendly and welcomed Lily warmly. "Lily, on your first day, you will be helping Miss Rose with cake decorating," Mrs. Daisy said. "Miss Rose will teach you everything you need to know." Miss Rose smiled at Lily. "Welcome, Lily. Ready to learn how to make beautiful cakes?" Miss Rose asked kindly. "Yes, I am," Lily said eagerly. She was excited to learn cake decorating. Miss Rose showed Lily to a workstation with a table, frosting bags, different tips for the bags, and a plain cake ready for decoration. Miss Rose explained the basics of cake decorating. She showed Lily how to fill a frosting bag, how to hold it, and how to make simple decorations like swirls and dots. Lily watched carefully and listened to Miss Rose's instructions. Then it was Lily's turn to try. She picked up a frosting bag and tried to make a swirl on the cake. At first, her swirls were a little bit wobbly and uneven, but Miss Rose was patient and encouraging. She showed Lily again and again, giving her tips and advice. Lily practiced and practiced. Slowly, her swirls started to become smoother and more even. She learned how to control the frosting bag and make different shapes. Miss Rose showed her how to make frosting flowers and leaves. Lily tried her best to copy Miss Rose. It was a little bit challenging at first, but Lily was determined to learn. She liked making things look beautiful, and she enjoyed working with the sweet frosting. She focused on her task and kept practicing. As Lily worked, she could smell the delicious aroma of cakes baking in the ovens. She could hear the gentle sounds of the bakery, the whirring of the mixing machines, the soft chatter of the bakers, and the happy sounds of customers in the front area. The bakery was a busy and happy place to work. Throughout the morning, Lily continued to practice cake decorating. Miss Rose gave her more cakes to decorate and showed her new techniques. Lily learned quickly and improved with each cake she decorated. She started to feel more confident and comfortable in her new job. For lunch break, Mrs. Daisy invited Lily to join her and the other bakers in the break room. They all ate lunch together and chatted. Lily learned more about her colleagues and about working at the bakery. Everyone was friendly and supportive. Lily felt like she was already part of the team. In the afternoon, Lily continued to decorate cakes. She even started to create her own simple designs. She decorated cakes with colorful frosting swirls, chocolate shavings, and little sugar flowers. She felt proud of her work when she saw the finished cakes looking pretty and delicious. Time passed quickly. Before she knew it, it was the end of Lily's first day. Mrs. Daisy came to check on her. She looked at the cakes Lily had decorated. "Lily, these are beautiful," Mrs. Daisy said, impressed. "You are a natural at cake decorating. You did a wonderful job on your first day. Welcome to Sweet Sunshine Bakery." Lily smiled, feeling very happy and proud. "Thank you, Mrs. Daisy," Lily said. "I really enjoyed my first day. I love working here." Lily finished her work for the day and said goodbye to Mrs. Daisy and Miss Rose and the other bakers. She walked home, feeling tired but very satisfied. Her first day at the bakery had been a success. She had learned new things, made new friends, and discovered that she enjoyed working at Sweet Sunshine Bakery. She looked forward to going back to work the next day and learning even more about baking and cake decorating. Lily knew that she had found a job that she would truly enjoy, a place where she could work hard, learn new skills, and be part of a happy and friendly team. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you,